Reggie, the traffic light DJ, had a secret. He didn't just control cars, he controlled beats. Every night, when the streets were empty, he mixed red, yellow, and green lights into a rhythm that made even the street lamps dance. One evening, Sloane rolled up on her electric scooter, headphones blasting, and Go-Go skated in with her portable synth. "Let's turn this intersection into a concert!" Reggie blinked in sync with the bass, and suddenly the crosswalk lines pulsed like piano keys. Pedestrians stopped, mesmerized. Cars slowed down, not out of traffic rules, but because they couldn't resist the groove. Reggie spun a solo, Sloane dropped a scooter beat, and Go-Go layered a rainbow synth that made puddles shimmer like disco balls. Then, chaos. A truck honked, an old lady danced into a fountain, and a pigeon joined the mosh pit. But Reggie didn't miss a beat. He just looped it, and suddenly the city itself seemed to vibrate with music. By the time the night ended, everyone agreed. Traffic lights would never be just signals again. Reggie had turned the streets into a stage, and the world into his crowd.